Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I am going to show you the beautiful Angular 17 e-commerce site product system. Like we can add, delete and update the products. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular updates. So guys, here we go. So here you can see the product form and the product data section. First, I will add the demo product like demo product one. Validation as well. So I will add one here. Wise. Guys also see the validation works well. Category as well like mobile. Description. This is for testing. We should be add. So guys see product has been added. You can see the product here. Name, pricing, category and description. I can update as well, like mobile and laptop. Guys, that's it. Laptop and pricing should be changed. 600. Great. See, guys, it has been updated as well, and I can delete as well. Delete it. Again, I will add it. Demo one. Pricing 1K. Category TV. Again, testing. Now add it. I will add one more. Demo 2. Pricing 2K. Food and add. You guys see. And now I will search by name like to see guys. Searching as well. So guys, have you seen Angular 15 plus or Angular 17? Cut operations. E-commerce site, adding, delete and update product works well. So guys, I'm making more better and I will also share the course separately. In the end, I must say if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also guys, please contact me via my blog, richpost.com. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.